Okay, everyone, here is what I will do if a kid is trying to pull the fire alarm in any public building, and that kid says, I am going to pull the fire alarm. And I will say, hey, you know that pulling the fire alarm is a very serious crime. You are going to cause the fire department to respond to a false alarm. You only pull it if there is a real fire or if you have authorization. If you pull that, you are going to go to jail. And the building will have to charge a big fine. So, do not do it. And that kid will walk away from the pull station. And I will tell the manager saying that this kid was trying to pull the fire alarm. Bye.